Hi, today we're going to talk about creating a habit tracker on our existing page that we've created in previous videos. So if we go back to the page now, minimise that, the to-do list that we did, we've just added to a toggle pane, a toggle block even. So now we are going to create something different. So click on the plus, we're going to create a database this time. Let's create it in line for the time being and call it habit tracker. And then in there I'm going to just put a date for us to put in there. Right, so from there we need the days, which is going to be a single select option, and we want Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, if I can spell, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I'll edit that. Of course, we edit it. Go back, edit, and then do that. So we can obviously change the colours as we were before. The habit that we want to do, we put into here. So I'm going to copy that and put it in for every day. And then finally, we want a checkbox. I'm going to call that done. And there we have a habit tracker. Doesn't look great here, so we're going to change it to a different view, which is a board view. And there we have it looking on a day-by-day basis. If we go to the properties, we can then change the view so that it's small. And let's hide that, we don't need that. So we've got the days there on display. So we can then just click it if we want to do it, and it's done. From there, that's a little bit inconvenient, isn't it, that having to unclick it every time you want to do it. So we're going to create a page here called Habit Archive. Let's go back to the business plan. And we're also going to create a template button. So if we go back right down to the bottom, there's a template button. So let's call it Add New Week, tweak. And within that, we are going to drag our habit tracker into here. Make sure that the view that you want to see is the top one, and close. So now the habit tracker's gone from here, but we have a new button. Let's move it there. If we put a space underneath it. Right, okay. So now if we can always edit it again using the configure template, and it shows us the same thing. But if now we hit that button, it creates the habit tracker for us. We can fill in the date here. So we can put in the 1st of the 1st, 21, fill in what we want to do. Oh, I've just added another week by mistake. And once we're finished with it, drag it into the habit archive. We're getting the other week, I believe that's what that's doing. Don't know what else it would be doing. Oh well, let's look at the habit archive, and it's got that tracker in it. So if we now go back to the business plan, I don't know what it was trying to do there, but then toggle another week, creates our week, put in the next date, 7th of the 1st, 21. Do whatever we've done. End of, oh, I didn't want to do that. Do whatever we've done. End of the week. What is it doing? I think I'm pressing it multiple times. Right. So we've done that. Drag it down to the habit archive, and we're then ready to do another week. If we go to the habit archive, we've got both trackers in there, so we can see what we've done each week. And there we go. You've still got your button, ready to add the next week.